or she is going to be taking a tour to America and will travel to 4 states, acule khona and interviews. Let us see the nominees for the Best Gospel Artist.
Best Gospel Artist and the nominees are Babo, Ngcoo, and Babo Ngcobo.
Let me remind you that you voted. Number 4 received 1,059 votes. Number 3 received 4,332. Number 2 received 7,002 votes. And number 1 received 37,444. And ladies and gentlemen, the winner for the Best Gospel Artist of the Year 2018 goes to Babo Ngcobo.
Gospel Powerhouse. Mangibuka nina ngibuka abantu abangibuthe ezibini. Uma ngibuka nina ngibuka abantu abangiphule ekufeni nasukhukhwini lokufa. Ngiyabonga ningayeke ukungixhasa. Ngiyabonga kuwo wonke ama departments akhona eKZN. Ngiyabonga kubaphathiswa nabaphathiswakazi. Ngiyabonga futhi umama wesizwe sabaculi mama ustrict kakhulu kusenze sabuya endleleni zethu egwegwile. Ngalokho noma abanye bethu behlubuka ngalokuthetha kwakho kodwa sibadala manje singwevu sibonile ukuthi indlela yakho iqondile. Ayeye KZN ayeye. Awuthi ke ngithi kiphunyukile kibeni. Christakala Plus ngiyabonga kwi-BMG ngiyabonga kubo bonke abangixhasile ngiyabonga kwi-team Babo. We love you guys. Ngusaqalile isiqalo somsebenzi uyaqhubeka. Siyabonga abalandeli bethu siyabonga.
Best Gospel Song and the nominees are Sithando Sami, Ngcoo, Kyaleboha Jesu, Lungindala, Unwandle, Dumi Mkoksta, Ngcoo, Khaya Mthethwa, and Ehe Moya Wami, Abathandwa.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am now joined by the representative of the SABC, the General Manager for SABC KwaZulu-Natal, Mr. Bonga Mpanza.
Good evening. Good evening, Durban. Good evening, Durban. Siyanibingelela eThekwini. Siyabonga kakhulu, ngiyajabula ukuma kwentokazi enhle kanje la eduze kwami. Type ka Bishop Ngabule. Siyabonga kakhulu on behalf of the SABC for having worked